In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit posts on a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com in your browser. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to your Facebook business page, so you are working from the correct page profile. After that, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the management area for your business content and tools. When Meta Business Suite opens, go to the top of the page and find the Profile drop-down menu. Click that menu to confirm you are in the correct business profile. From there, click the gear icon to open your settings. This takes you into your business portfolio settings. In the settings area, look for the Planner option and click it. The Planner opens a calendar view where you can manage published and scheduled content for your business page. Once you are in the calendar, find the specific post that you want to edit. Take a moment to locate the correct date and click on the post. This will open the post overview page where you can see the details of that post. On the post overview page, move to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens a list of actions you can take for that post. From that menu, choose Edit Post. After selecting Edit Post, the editing screen will appear. Here you can update the text, adjust details, or make any other changes that Facebook allows for that post. Review your edits carefully so everything looks the way you want. When you are finished making changes, save the updated post. Facebook will apply the edits to your business page post, and the new version will be visible once the update is complete. If you are managing multiple posts, you can repeat the same process from the planner anytime you need to revise content on your page. The main thing is to enter Meta Business Suite, open Planner, select the post, and use the three-dot menu to access the edit option. That is the full process for editing posts on a Facebook business page using Meta Business Suite. Follow these steps in order, and you will be able to update your page content quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.